Millions of people worldwide swear by the healing power of ginger, but few of them know how to make ginger tea with lemon and honey the right way. Ginger is a highly effective natural treatment for some common and not so common ailments, and it helps naturally lose weight, especially fat. Ginger is a flowering root that can be found in every country. While initially cultivated in Asia, over time it has spread and gained popularity worldwide. You can find this spice used in many cooking recipes, drinks, teas, and desserts. Ginger has proven its health benefits in countless studies, especially in recent years. It has been shown to strengthen our immune system and improve general health due to its significant medicinal value. Ginger's distinct and spicy taste is due to its active ingredient, gingerol. This substance has antibacterial, anti-cancer, and antioxidant properties that are crucial for our health. It is a fantastic spice not only for flavoring food and beverages but is especially beneficial for preventing diseases and fighting viruses, fungi, and bacteria. We can eat ginger raw or cooked and may be used in a grated form or ground powder, which is an ideal addition to beverages, drinks, and teas. So, in today's video you will discover how to make ginger tea with lemon, the nutrients it contains, the ideal recommended daily amount of ginger, its most essential health benefits for our bodies and weight loss, and what will happen to the body if you eat ginger for 15 days. To prepare ginger tea with lemon, pour 8 ounces of hot water into a small bowl with half or 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried ginger. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then drain the liquid into a cup. Add a slice of lemon or the juice of half a lemon, drink and enjoy. You may add 1 teaspoon of good quality honey to increase health benefits and 1 to 2 ice cubes to drink on hot summer days. Although it is safe to eat ginger every day beyond the first 15 days, doctors and nutritionists recommend limiting our daily intake to a maximum of 3 to 4 grams of ginger. In terms of quantity, be aware that 1 gram of ginger is equivalent to half a teaspoon of powdered ginger or 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. So, now you've learned the correct way to make ginger tea with lemon, discover 11 excellent benefits for overall health, weight loss, and longevity. But before we further explore the following benefits of ginger, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate notifications to stay updated with my informative videos. Number 1. Relieves nausea. Studies have shown that ginger is effective in helping to relieve nausea and vomiting. This is especially evident in people who must undergo certain surgeries or when nausea is associated with chemotherapy. In addition, ginger removes and prevents nausea in general because it stimulates the production of saliva and gastric juices in the stomach. This property helps with better and more efficient digestion of foods. Number 2. Improves digestion and acts as an anti-inflammatory. If you have ever felt that unpleasant pain in the upper part of your stomach, this pain indicates indigestion. If the pain recurs at regular intervals, then it means you have chronic indigestion. Sour stomach emptying is one of the leading causes of indigestion, which means the stomach is not working as well as it should. One of the many benefits of daily ginger consumption is that it speeds up emptying the stomach in reasonable amounts. Stomach inflammation is often caused by certain foods, drinks, specific medicines, a medical condition, and too much alcohol, which can also cause inflammation. However, eating ginger will relieve inflammation, especially when it is recurring. Number 3. Strengthens the immune system. Ginger with its properties, strengthens our immune system, enhancing blood circulation. It thus helps the body to fight infections. In particular, the phytochemical compound gingerol contained in ginger, strengthens the body cells that deal with viruses, germs, and bacteria. Meanwhile, gingerol increases the activity of white blood cells, which are necessary to fight viruses and can prevent or eradicate diseases. Number 4. Balances blood sugar levels. One study found that ginger improved blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Lower blood sugar levels are critical as it helps to deal with many additional health problems caused by chronic diabetes. Number 5, lowers cholesterol levels. A recent study conducted on rats fed a high-fat diet showed that ginger reduced markers of heart disease and the activity of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Number 6, instantly helps with weight and fat loss. Ginger, especially ginger water and tea, can help lose weight and fat when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. One study showed that men who drank a hot ginger drink after eating felt fuller and for a longer time. Additionally, its contribution to balanced blood sugar levels can prevent overeating. Number 7, reduces period pain. Any woman who has had a menstrual cycle knows how painful period cramps can be, especially when you must endure these pains every month. One of the most valuable benefits of ginger is the significant reduction of period pains. Drinking ginger tea and adding lemon and a little honey will relieve pain, especially if you drink it at the beginning of your period and during its time. Number 8, reduces muscle pain. When you experience muscle soreness, especially after an intense workout, the pain can significantly reduce your mood, productivity, and mobility. Research has shown that eating fresh or cooked ginger in small amounts daily reduces muscle pain. A targeted study showed that those who ate ginger daily recovered faster from muscle pain. For those who did not eat ginger, it took longer for the muscles to heal. Number 9, prevents cancer. We live in a world where all of us have a case of cancer in our family, relatives, or friends. Cancer is now becoming one of the most challenging diseases to treat. Ginger has been carefully studied and shown to contain a compound, 6-shogal, which kills the root of certain cancers and their cells. This compound in ginger targets the root cause of cancer cells, especially in breast cancer, where it was explicitly studied. Additionally, when we eat ginger, stem cell growth in breast cancer is inhibited or reduced. Number 10, helps reduce arthritis and its pain. A recent study showed that daily consumption of ginger significantly reduced osteoarthritis pain and improved mobility in patients. In particular, researchers divided the patients into 2 groups. Those given ginger were twice as likely to stop treatment they were already taking for osteoarthritis symptoms and pain, compared to the patients from the second group who received a placebo drug. Number 11, improves brain function and protects against dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Some research shows that the compounds 6-shogal and 6-gingerol found in ginger can help prevent degenerative diseases. Such diseases are dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation may be the root causes of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and cognitive decline, which is usually but no longer necessarily age-related. Some animal studies showed that ginger's antioxidants and bioactive compounds can inhibit the inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. Therefore, ginger's antioxidants can help prevent these complex diseases. What you should watch out for as the side effects of ginger. As with any herb or supplement, ginger may interact with some prescription medications. While side effects of ginger are generally rare, they may include the following if consumed in excess: heartburn, gases, stomachache, and mouth burning. You should generally consume no more than 4 grams of ginger daily, in any form. People with heart disease, diabetes, and gallstones should talk to their doctor before consuming ginger. You should also not eat or drink ginger if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or about to have surgery unless your doctor recommends it. In addition, people with blood clotting disorders and children under 2 years old should also avoid it. Therefore, you must ask your doctor or pharmacist if you can add ginger to your diet. They are the most appropriate people to ask because they know your health and medications. Did you already know how to make ginger tea with lemon and the 11 vital health benefits it can offer our bodies, weight, and health? I hope you found this video helpful. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and friends so they also know how to make ginger tea with lemon. Ginger is an important spice and herb for health and longevity, because it contains many beneficial plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, significantly helping our organisms and body. But oregano is another vital medicinal plant that can help fight and eliminate viruses, pathogens, and bacteria. In the video on the left, you can discover oregano's crucial healing properties and health benefits and learn what will happen to your body if you eat oregano or drink oregano oil and tea. I wish for you to always be well and have a beautiful day.